We're walking to the bus. We decided to go hiking today. Yeah, I've been here for 3 weeks and I've yet to see the nature aspects of Colorado, which is why I wanted to come here anyways. But we woke up at, well, yesterday we said we'd wake up at 6. And then we were like, you know what, let's do 7 since it's too early for 6. We wake up at 8:30. So then we're like, okay, let's leave at 10. It's now 11. I thought an hour and a half would be adequate to get ready for hiking, but Io always needs at least 3 hours to go anywhere.
Morning shift and then a post-departure, pre-departure.
Shit, she's talking about pooping twice.
It's the nerve.
Well, that's the plan for today. All that waiting for Io got me real tired, so I took a nap on the bus. It took 2 buses, a total of 1 hour to get to downtown Boulder. Once in downtown Boulder, which spans about 3 or 4 streets, Io dragged us to the nearest restroom to take her 3rd dump of the day. Well, healthy bowels. I got us a few drinks while I waited for Io's brown grenade to go off nearby. The trailhead and park was about a 25-minute walk from downtown Boulder. It was quite a hike before the hike. It was straight uphill walking. Straight uphill. I definitely get the appeal. I see why people move to Denver. You're like in the city, and like this is like 30 minutes out of the way by car. It had snowed about a week ago, but the land was covered in a nice fluffy coat of snow. Look at this dumbass aim. All that anticipation from when she first picked up the snowball. God knows when. Just for that disappointment.
Look how easy this shit is.
She tried again, standing literally a few feet away from me.
Did I make it?
Anyways, this is how unclimactic a snowball fight between 2 people who can't aim looks like.
Yeah.
Look at her, playing off being tired as if she found mountain lion footprints.
If you look over there, you'll see a boulder in its natural habitat. Boulder.
I'm yelling because every time I look back to talk to her, she's half a mile back. Like, damn, bitch, we're not shooting a blockbuster movie for Hollywood. Stop with the artsy shots and follow me. Jeez.
Clearly you're not stopping at the...
This is me talking to my mom. This lady manages to call me like every time I'm doing something. She was in my last video too. Like, I don't know. She's obsessed with me or whatever. Also, this is Io wearing literally all my clothes. I think she uses me for my clothes and the fact that I buy her food. Yet she complains about holding a camera.
You guys. You guessed it.
This face kills me every time I look at it. This is about an hour into the hike. Of course, the prime destination being the Sunset Amphitheater. I'm wondering how much further, so I stop and ask this dude casually jogging through the icy mountain, and this points to 3 mountains away and goes, "Oh, You mean the Sunset Amphitheater? Like, why the hell would they call this trail the Amphitheater Trail if there was no amphitheater here? Thankfully, we were right at the peak, so we decided to take a quick break and eat. Hey, can I help you? Why are you recording us? This time, I actually did see some people watching us, so I leaned in and told EO. Who's that watching us? Do I know you? Do I know you people? It very quickly got cold. I completely forgot I had a therapy session planned, so here's me taking a session on the top of a mountain. And what I'm doing here is an old ancient technique called the Sun God of Power dance that calls upon the universe to cure what some asshole subjected you to when you were younger.
Keep walking, she says. Trying to fucking record and not slip to death. And you try to watch where the fuck you're going. Recording at the same goddamn time. Jesus Christ.
Parkour, 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 parkour. Moving on. Sounds good. I'm not. Okay, bye.